Hi, my name is Vithushan, and I'm a first-year MBA student. I'm also a Canadian who went to Waterloo, and my first job was at Burger King, so I really see you as a role model.
You look like my fucking brother. I mean, well, literally, you look like me too. It's crazy. It's the weirdest thing. Are you planted? Are you an actor? What is going on?
I swear to God.
Well, you're really freaking me out right now. What do you want?
So my question for you is, a couple years ago at an event at HBS, you mentioned that MBA students are typically at a disadvantage with respect to getting capital if they pursue entrepreneurship. Do you think that still holds true today? And if so,
so that's a perfect example of me, before CAS, which Dean Levin talked about, expressing my bias. And I think part of my bias came from my insecurity about not having a grad degree. Part of my bias was like looking at people like you saying, wow, I just feel inferior to folks like you. I've felt for huge amounts of time. And so it's a perfect example where even though I can say it, what I said at that HBS thing was me just spouting off, making myself feel better about my biases. And what I would tell you today is it can matter, it doesn't matter. I would rather say that there are ways of figuring out how valuable you are that are independent of those traditional signals, whether you have them or not. So I would say today I've changed my mind. But by the way, that's another thing. Changing your mind is so powerful. I mean, fuck, change your mind. It makes for really, really, really bursty, difficult marriages at times. My wife will tell you. But man, is it powerful in business. Change your mind all the time. And it's amazing, again, where you'll find like really good scaled leaders want the right answer, and they're fine with capitulation, they're fine with change. They really are, because they just want the right answer. And then you just get so invested in an answer. And then you build up all of this superficial logic to reinforce it versus saying, I don't know, oh, you know what, I changed my mind. Wow. Another powerful thing, I think. I change my mind all the time.